fast procedure.
After the first page of constant reading, we first took the top, this. Then they told us to choose the chips. Let's open it.
Everything. Okay, let's start as per the
The word this piece of wood installing here. The word this piece of wood installing here. Now we are fixing the side walls. These now we finish the side wall. Now we are going to fix the other side of the. Now we are going to fix the accessories.
take the tool. Here, this is a tool, small tool.